The Hella FF75 Series halogen lamp kit delivers a tight, focused driving beam that significantly improves night and bad weather visibility compared with typical factory lights. Its compact, low-profile housings fit easily into tight grille openings or under bumpers, making these lamps a smart choice for vehicles with limited mounting space. The sturdy glass lenses, metal bodies, and magnesium reflectors give the kit a rugged feel that stands up well to vibration and rough road use. Installation is straightforward thanks to the single stud mounts and the included wiring harness and relay, so a careful do-it-yourself owner can get them wired in without drama. The kit arrives as a complete package with 2 lamps, 2 halogen bulbs, mounting hardware, and clear instructions, which means no hunting for extra parts. Overall, this Hella kit offers a strong mix of performance, durability, and thoughtful design for drivers who want serious auxiliary lighting without going to a full custom setup.